Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch Disney Plus content for free with a 30-day trial, follow these step-by-step instructions to access this popular streaming service. Step 1. Visit the official Disney Plus website by typing disneyplus.com into your web browser or open the Disney Plus mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Look for promotional banners or offers on the homepage that mention free trials. Disney Plus occasionally offers 30-day trials during special promotional periods or for new subscribers. Step 3. Click Sign Up Now or Start Free Trial if a trial offer is available. You'll be directed to create a new Disney Plus account by providing your email address and creating a password. Step 4. Enter your personal information, including your name and date of birth, as required by the registration process to verify your eligibility for the trial. Step 5. Select your preferred subscription plan. Even though you're starting with a free trial, you'll need to choose between the ad-supported or premium plan options available. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card details or selecting an alternative payment method. Your payment method will not be charged during the free trial period. Step 7. Review the trial terms carefully, noting the exact date when your free trial ends and when you'll be charged if you don't cancel before the trial period expires. Step 8. Complete the sign-up process and start streaming immediately. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to continue with a paid subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.